All right, guys, I'm going to give you an amazing Claude prompt that will help you get traffic like this. It's a full prompt and strategy. These guys are at 400,000 in traffic. And then as a bonus, I'm going to give you a way to get backlinks like this, 100% automated. You literally don't no joke, and it is real. So I'm going to give you the full strategy, the full prompt, and what these businesses are doing in this case study to get this kind of traffic, this kind of backlinks. This is awesome, next level stuff. Let's go. So first, let's explain what these companies are doing and then how you can do the same thing. And then I'm going to show you how to leverage the prompt and then a way to get backlinks. So this company is all about celebrityheights.com. So what they do is a very basic, not a great website, but basically just has all celebrity heights on here. They don't sell a product, they're just doing ads. So anytime you search for blank celebrity height, it is going to showcase one of these profiles, which just is very simplistic, has their picture and has their height, and that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much just like an index site of celebrity heights, but they are getting a ton of traffic. The other site that I'm looking at is this one. They are actually showing celebrity or shoes for celebrities. They are actually showing selling shoes to increase height. So that is them right there. So all of their stuff is, all their shoes are dedicated to increasing height, whether it's be for celebrities or not. They're also getting a lot of traffic as well. What they are missing and how they could really capitalize on this strategy is combining the two. So if they basically combine the two, what these guys were doing, and then had their products on these shoes, like showing the celebrity profile and then a way for you to buy the shoes to increase your height like a certain celebrity, that would be next level. So this is what, as decent as these guys are doing, they could be doing much better. They could be bringing in this kind of traffic. The key really is to capitalize on something that people are searching for your products, especially if you're a product-based website, and then create content that is searchable, that helps them find the answer and then gives them a solution as well. So this works really well for product-based businesses. So the question is, how do you do this? Well, what I'm using is Arvow to create articles that basically deliver this. So you can create amazing articles based on, like, this is for Tom Cruise's height, and then you could link to your products for the shoes if you want to increase your height or if you want to be like a certain celebrity. So the way that you do that, the way that I've done that, is you have an article template in here, and there's a link to Arvow below. And basically once you create this template, you just enter in the celebrity, the product, so this would be shoes, that attribute would be height, and the year, and the niche if you want. And then you can generate articles over and over and over again for every single celebrity that are searchable, that are leading people to your product. The nice thing too is you can configure these to incorporate your brand assets. So you can internally link to your sitemap, which has all of your products. You can do your own images if you want. You can connect to your website, your own knowledge base. So these are customizable articles that are helping you a ton with SEO, helping you a ton with traffic. So this is pretty simple. All you do is you take this prompt. If you type prompt below, I'll give you this whole prompt. But this is basically giving you the prompt that you're going to enter into Arvow, and then the markup that you're going to enter into Arvow. And then basically you just copy and paste that. So you can change this. What I did was put product height, increasing shoes, which you want to put your product, and then you want to put your URL at the top. And then basically the rest of the prompt stays the same. So this changes for whatever product you're selling and whatever attribute you want. So once you enter this in, it's going to basically give you, I'm going to scroll down, it's going to give you the output. So it's going to give you this prompt here, and then it's going to give you the Markdown outline. Basically the Markdown outline is just how we're framing the articles, the article generation. So it works really, really well. So what you want to do is, if you go into Arvow, this is an amazing tool for SEO content. I use it, my clients use it, and we're seeing tons of traffic because of it. So basically you would just do article template, you would do create article template, you would name it what you want, and then basically you would give it the generation prompt, you would enable this, and then you would give it the outline. So you're going to basically go back over to here, you're going to give it this prompt here, we're just going to copy this and we're going to go back and we're going to paste that here. And then we are going to basically get the outline, the Markdown outline. This is just how the article is structured from an SEO standpoint. Really, really important stuff. And then we can go in and we can add our knowledge base. So we can give it, we can give it our knowledge base, so we can give it our website, which you can create different knowledge bases outside of here. And then internal link, we can add our sitemap. So this is how it's going to link to all of our pages to help get that SEO juice. If you want to add your own knowledge base, you would basically go to configuration and then knowledge base, new knowledge base. You would name it and then create it, and it'll allow you to pick what it's pulling in. So you can add an asset in your knowledge base. This is really cool. So you can do text document, PDF, website. Most people just do their website. It's really easy. So that is working in conjunction with your articles. So you're creating these highly searchable articles that people are searching for, and you're integrating your products. And that is what these guys are doing incredibly well right here, but they're not even integrating a product. If they had products here, they would be blowing up. And these guys are doing well, but they're not doing the celebrity integration or some type of high trend search integration. So if you can combine these two strategies, and it will become next level. Now the next question is, how do you get backlinks, right? How do you get these kind of backlinks? Well, another great feature of Arvow is their growth. They have a growth tab in here, and they have a brand new backlink exchange, which is amazing. So basically how this works is you literally just go in, you submit your website URL, and that is it. Then it's going to find opportunities to link back to your website, to link back to your pages. And how this works is other clients, other users of Arvow are also doing this. So they are Arvow is going in and finding high DR backlink opportunities, and it's linking everything together that's relevant. So it's going to link when people are creating content in here, the internal or the external link part of the content is going to link to other people's stuff, thus giving you a high DR backlink. So if you go in here and when you're setting this up, you see there's external linking where you can do your own or automatically do links for you. So this is where this comes into play. It's going to link automatically to trusted high DR sites. So literally 100% passively, you can get a ton of backlinks, which is crazy. Backlinks are so hard to get, let alone high DR backlinks. And this is literally 100% passive way to get backlinks, and it works phenomenally well. Here's an example of this in real time, basically showing you how many backlinks are being generated. This is a sample from Arvow that they set up, but look how many backlinks. This is just in the last couple of days. They're getting a couple per day. Like May 10th has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backlinks in one day. And this is just automated. So it just keeps populating backlinks every single day back to your website. Really crazy. This is next level because it's so easy. A 3-year-old could do it, and it's 100% automated. And it's just one of the many great features that Arvow has, let alone the highly optimized SEO content creation part and how to basically use it to leverage trends based with product-based businesses as well. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you want the prompts, type prompt below. I'll give you a whole web page of a bunch of prompts that you can use in Claude. And then there's also the, of course, Arvow link below, so you can try out this platform and start increasing your traffic, start getting a ton of backlinks. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Hopefully that helps you guys out.